It's just a quick video on how I'm going to connect my power to my GPS. I'm using a TomTom Rider 550, but this will work for any sat nav. So here's part of the charger that comes with your sat nav, and then what I've done is I've soldered it to one of these connectors which matches the same type that is used for the USB. I have a spare USB plug here, and as you can see it's the same. So what I've done is I've bought one of these T pieces, which looks like this when it's not fitted. And basically I'm just teeing into the power source to the USB. It's a good connector to use because it's ignition switched. So when your ignition's off, there's no power going to your GPS. And as soon as you turn it on, you'll see in a second, GPS comes on. And you know what's even better? You don't have to drill a hole because this cable fit nicely in the gap. So when you look at my partner's bike here, you can see there's a nice gap you can run the cable through. I think this is going to work nicely. I did also discover this little connector here, but it doesn't seem to be ignition switched. I believe it might be for triggering some sort of auxiliary lights. But I'll put it back together. One thing to note is you need to unclip the connector plug from the holder. Sorry, the battery needle. You need to unclip the connector from the holder here, just so you've got some more free play, and then just move it into a new position, maybe add a few cable ties, and then put it back together.